Hello. Jindal Drilling and Industries quarter 3 fiscal year 26 earnings have been out for quite some days. Let us analyze the latest earnings. All of these figures are in crores of rupees. So, revenue from operations went from 239 crores to 242 crores. However, other income, there was a loss of more than 81 crores. There was a loss of actually 100 crores, but minus 81 crores shown here. The total revenue went from 254 crores to 161 crores. This minus 81 crores, we will discuss it in a second. Total expenses went from 189 crores to 210 crores. And because of this minus 81 crores of other income loss here, profit before tax went from 65 crores in quarter 3 fiscal year 2025 to minus 49 crores. Profit after tax went from positive 49 crores to negative 37 crores. Okay. One good thing, I guess, the balance sheet kind of improved. So again, all these numbers are in crores. First of all, gross debt. Gross debt went from 139 crores in March 2025 to 87 crores in December 2025. Then liquid investments. Okay, this could be like mutual funds the company has invested in, which it can sell on demand. Went from 119 crores of liquid investments in March 2025 to 325 crores of liquid investments. Cash. Company's cash balance went from 6 crores in March 2025, 87 crores in December 2025. Total liquidity available, plusing the two things, went from 276 crores all the way to 412 crores of liquidity available. And so, liquidity available is now 325 crores more than gross debt compared to 111 crores in March 2025. So, the debt situation seems to have improved dramatically. Now, what happened this quarter? So, notice in total income, okay, total revenue, massive spike in quarter 2 fiscal year 2026 and a massive drawdown in quarter 3 fiscal year 2026. So, this is the reason. Decline in total revenue in quarter 3 fiscal year 26 is an account of reversible of other income of 100.43 crores towards interest and foreign exchange gain on an old ONGC receivable which was considered in quarter 2 fiscal year 26. Impact of favorable order of Bombay High Court was considered in quarter 2 fiscal year 26. This order was subsequently appealed by ONGC in Supreme Court leading to an above mentioned reversal. Okay, ONGC, Jindal Drilling, they have some case going on, okay? They have some very long multi-year case going on regarding some money. So in quarter 2 fiscal year 26, it seemed they got a favorable, Jindal Drilling got a favorable order from Bombay High Court about this receivable. Now, because it was so long back, there was foreign exchange gain. There was interest gain on this money, okay, this money which was in dispute, and they could recognize a 100 crore one-time gain. Okay, 100 crore gain, they have a favorable order from Bombay High Court. So 347 crores spike. Okay. Then quarter three comes. What happens? Supreme Court reverses the decision because it was appealed by the ONGC in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court decided to reverse. That's why they could no longer recognize that 100 crore gain. They had to write that 100 crore gain back to disputed. Like it's again disputed. That's why a 100 crore exceptional loss came in this quarter. Okay, it was recognized like that. So that led to, you can say, problem, the massive loss. Now, the current order book, again in crores, these are the orders they have currently from customers. You can see for quarter 4 fiscal year 26, 237 crores is the order book. Revenue is not exactly equal to, but revenue will come similar to that. Okay. Massive growth came earlier, and the company was expecting somewhere around this. The management were also saying they will not expect massive growth, but yeah. So 237 crores around order book they have in quarter 4 fiscal year 26. These are all the rigs. And you can see total order book is 1,183 crores. Above figures are approximate calculations of contract received and may vary based on actual performance. Rig Jindal Pioneer is under refurbishment in UAE and waiting its next contract. This is important. If I'm correct, Jindal Pioneer is a big rig, and and the contract it's going to be higher in, it's very important what the rate of that contract is. Last time, if I'm remembering what happened correctly, there was a lot of competition in like the contracts from ONGC, in the rig contract side, and the price went down dramatically. It was too low a price. So now everyone in the space is hoping that that situation doesn't happen again. good rates good rates are given out for like rigs. Okay, so Jindal Pioneer, what rate it will be contracted at is a key thing. It's currently under refurbishment, so it's currently being upgraded and all of that. That happens for rigs. They get deployed, and after being deployed they have to be refurbished. So let us see how, at what rate Jindal Pioneer actually gets, its next contract. So yeah, interesting quarter. 100 crores of that ONGC case. Let us see how the case goes on in the future.